What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. And in this video, I'm going to talk all about wood-fired ovens. We're making delicious pizza today, but you can do a lot of different recipes with these. So we're going to talk all about that. I got a little sneak peek into my buddy's food truck where he let me jump in, take some video. He taught me a bunch about the wood-fired oven, and man, oh man, was it ever cool. So here's everything I have to know about this wood-fired pizza oven. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So starting off, we use oak wood. It's nothing special. You could use maple, you could use apple wood. It all works the same as a smoker. Those different types of wood add different types of flavor. Oak, maple, apple wood, peach wood, all like fruit and nut woods work really good with pizza ovens like this. Now, what's totally important with a pizza oven, just like this, or really any pizza oven, is making sure you have it up to the right temperature. You want to make sure everything is hot, 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 hot. That's why we fired it up to 700 degrees at the very beginning. By doing that, it's going to allow us to just have really hot stones for a while. Now, the stones are the bottom of the grill, the bottom of this oven that I'm talking about right here. And that's how this works. The radiating heat off of those stones, along with the fire along the top to give it a little bit of a char. Oh, buddy, that's exactly what's happening here in this oven. It's kind of like a convection oven in a sense, because actually, I don't know if that's completely true, but with the open air front, it's definitely going to be bringing it in, but it will be the fire bringing it in, which is going to heat up the air to let it cycle around the rest of the oven. Anyway, we're cooking pizzas here, and they are absolutely delicious. Shout out to my buddy Brad. This is his food truck for Brad Stone Pizza. Make sure you check them out on Instagram and Facebook. But yeah, guys, this is delicious. Like, these little pizzas took like 90 seconds or something to cook. Less than, probably closer to 75 seconds, which I thought was really, really impressive. So as you can see here, he's just finishing it off with a little bit of garlic butter and some Parmesan cheese. And dude, you just slice it up. Bam, you got a wicked pizza. Now, let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more videos covering pizza ovens. I've been thinking to myself, maybe I should get one for my backyard, especially after spending some time with my buddy Brad. But dude, like, these pizzas were out of control. Yeah, this pepperoni right here is crazy. Look how unbelievably delicious this looks. Oh man, dude. Check that out. The perfect amount of char on the crust, that melted down cheese, that pepperoni. Oh my goodness. I am drooling just recording this video. I feel like I should order some more pizza from Brad. Anyway, guys, okay. So what I really liked about the pizza oven was the fact that if in a pinch you run out of whatever dough you're making at home, you can go to like a local pizza shop and ask them if they'll sell you some balls of dough. And we were able to buy a couple for me to play around with the oven. And man, I was really psyched about that. My buddy Brad, he runs a food truck and didn't have extras. So I was able to just kind of, experiment a little bit with this and play around myself, and everyone turned out fantastic. I did use one of Brad's doughs, but it was like 10 times better because it's homemade. But it doesn't change the fact that, even from, like a pizza store down the street, like, man, you can just grab a little dough, bring it home, fire it up. I know if I had a pizza oven, I would 100% regularly be buying balls of dough from my local pizza shops. Screw buying a pepperoni for like $4, buying the dough, bring it home. I could even smoke my own sausage and smoke cheese. Wow, I should really look into this now that I actually think this through. This might be a perfect investment for my channel. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you agree with that. All right, so let's talk about what kind of pizzas we cooked. We cooked a barbecue chicken. We cooked some pepperoni. There was a bruschetta pizza. That was really cool. That was one I was not expecting. That caught me off guard. And then the margherita pizza, where it's just I think it's basil is on there, little pieces. And man, every single one came out so delectable. I really liked the airy crust that came with it. You can see there, it's got a little bit of char. Oh man, this was literally perfection. I really like wood-fired pizza. I mean, if you're this far into the video, I have a feeling you feel the same way about wood-fired anything. Just delicious flavor, super scrumptious, and just perfect for pizza. Anyway, guys, it always really makes me thankful when I have you guys watching these videos. Make sure you are liked and subscribed. And if you're not, feel free to join my community of home cooks. I'm always talking about barbecue and just backyard grilling or anything. In this case, it'd be a wood-fired oven, but don't think you're limiting yourself to pizza. Like, it's perfect for nachos. You can do a steak in there. There's just so many cool things you can do. And I highly suggest, if you're interested, you check out more about these kind of ovens, because it's wood-fired, it has so much flavor, and it's definitely a blast to cook on. Anyway, thanks again for watching. It's always such a pleasure to have you guys stop by. If you like pizza, let me know in the comments below. Don't be afraid to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. If you try any of this food, any of my recipes, make sure you tag me as well. I love seeing that stuff, guys. It really makes me so pumped. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. And I'm just going to leave you with a little bit of pizza, getting that garlic butter and Parmesan finish. Till next time, guys, stay safe and take care.